Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Over the weekend, I was trying to arrange to meet a Canadian friend of mine who's over for a few days on a business trip. We were messaging each other and I asked where he was staying. He told me Soho Hotel. "Whoa, very fancy," I said, and slap bang in the middle of town. If you say that something is slap bang or smack bang or splat bang in the middle of a place, you mean it's completely in the middle, exactly in the middle. You may notice that all the possible alternatives here, slap, smack, splat, are all quite kind of onomatopoeic. They all have this lovely kind of sound which makes them fun to say. Splat bang in the middle of somewhere. You might also talk about maybe, as happened to one of our students on the summer school last year, coming out of a tube station in the middle of London and finding yourself smack bang in the middle of Gay Pride weekend. Maybe, excuse me, you have your holiday planned and then your boss suddenly announces an important meeting and you're complaining to all of your colleagues saying, I don't understand why the boss has to schedule this bloody meeting splat bang in the middle of the holiday season. And maybe some of you are old enough to remember turning 40. It's quite a strange moment when you turn 40 because you suddenly realise that you're splat bang in the middle of your life. If you're lucky, of course, assuming you're going to get to 80. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use splat or slap or smack bang in the middle of.